Hi, Miss Christine. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Christine K. Mangampo, 34 years old from Mabini, Dalaga, Albay.
So what is your current marital status?
I am married.
Okay. Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 3 daughters, aged 13, 11, and 2 years old.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 siblings, and I am the second.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
I am college graduate with bachelor's degree in elementary education.
Okay. So do you have work experience abroad?
I have no work experience abroad, and I have no domestic helper experience work. But I am a mother, so I know how to take care of children and do household chores.
Okay. So how would you describe yourself?
I am loyal, hardworking, and trustworthy.
Okay. Do you have any tattoos in your body?
No,
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no,
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
because I want to support my family, especially financially.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Okay. So, do you have any idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will react calmly, breathe, and then talk to them and read books or stories to them.
So, for your final question, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me. I will do my best to be a good worker since I am hardworking and trustworthy and an honest person. If you have children, I will do my best to love them and take care of them as my own.
Okay, thank you.